Hello everyone, Sam here from my forexmagicwave.com. Making this small video for YouTube actually, just to show a few trades that I took with the new system. This one is Euro Yen chart. Is 1 hour chart which I made on November 24 and sent out. It's a harmonic pattern bat. And the way I trade is before it is finished. The normal conventional way, and everybody else in the market, they trade these patterns after they finish at point D, then the reaction of it. And what I found and learned is that it's very lucrative if you start trading these patterns from point C, especially bat and butterfly pattern calculation, because they seem like this is like wave 1, 2, and then you get in wave 3. In Elliott wave perspective, the most profit you can make is in wave 3. So why waste the trading opportunity from C to D? So if you can locate point C, then you can trade from C to D, and then the reaction, if it is going to happen, then you can trade or reverse from point D to the downside. So that's why I said that this is most likely the point C, and then we might go up for point D, and from 4650 must hold means this line is 23.6% of the same fib. This is what I teach in my webinar. If you become a subscriber, you get to learn all this and easy. But what happened after that, what is the current chart doing is this. It didn't go straight up, but it is, it's like a ranging condition on the sideway. But yesterday we had an opportunity for about 20-25 pip on this going up, then it dips again. But this point C is holding again. This was like a second test, and now today we went up again. Okay, now this is my old my analysis and the old way of trading with Magic Wave, which is perfect, and it's good, and we all use that for a longest time. But I was trying to invent something very easy for the people who cannot learn anything and just want something very easy. Okay, and Elliott wave and these patterns, harmonic patterns, fancy study, and a lot of people want to learn that way. And in fact, I had a message on my one of my friends says that something like don't break it. I mean, don't fix it until it's broken. So what he meant is that if Elliott wave is working so fine and harmonic pattern, then why am I looking for something else? But the thing is that my job is teaching out there, and it's a lot of different kind of people that wants to learn different things, and some love these harmonic patterns and Elliott wave, but some really hate them. To be honest with you. So for those who doesn't want to learn harmonic patterns and Elliott wave and all that mumbo jumbo, we have to have something very easy. Anyway, so this my other system, and let's go take a look at the same thing in other system, what happened when it was there. Like this, okay, at that time. I made the same chart in my other system, which I'm going to show you. Was what happened here? It's a live chart, not live. Where are those? Oh man. Okay, this, see, there it is. Okay, this was the chart. Okay, the same thing over there, Euro Yen harmonic pattern. This is the point C, and it says, well, this is how when you have the point of reversal, you will see an IB, a different color, simple as that, and this indicator in line with it. Okay, and that's how it is. So exactly here, like, so red candles coming down, red, and all of a sudden you have a blue candle, and this indicator is from the bottom going up. That's it. This is the and then you immediately go on a 1 minute or 5 minute chart and make your entry from the same kind of setup over there. Simple as that. So when I saw this and the indicator was in line, I saved this chart saying it's gonna probably go up there, and I open the trade from the short time frame, small time frames. Similarly, euro yen and pound yen was doing the same thing actually. See pound yen on 25th, very nice setup was about to be building here on 1 hour. So when the setup is building on 1 hour, we need to go on a 5 or 1 minute, and we take the same kind of setup over there, and it's just a little bit different, and then take your entries safe and sound. And you see I wrote it down here, IB forming at support. This is the system that I call magic IB. Okay, I don't know how they show up there, but they do. Okay, so I just found out. So it is very amazing. So let me show you what happened with the euro yen and pound yen right now, and what are my trades. Pound yen, let me show you the pound yen first. This is, I think, is going. See, out of this 26 today is 26 November, but my order is long, 25th, 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 and 3 in the same area. This is the area. This was the setup here, right? So we start going up, a little wobble in between, and then still going up. So the target was these highs, and which we already got, and then we may be getting stopped here. Okay, so time will tell. If we break, that will be a nice breakout to the upside. But let's see. There was a reason behind this pound yen going up, and the setup I like, because I had my analysis on pound index, that pound index is going to get stronger. And obviously when that happened, then pound yen and pound franc, pound USD, all those pound pairs will go up. Let me show you real quick if I have that index chart that I made here. You see this pound index? Not long time ago, 16 to 10 days ago, I made this chart that ascending triangle should be finished here at the rising TL. Let's see if it turns to the upside. I made a whole video about this triangle and all that. This is a rising triangle, which you call. It has 5 legs, A, B, C, D, E, and then it has it usually breaks out in the direction of the previous trend, which is up. This is wave 3. This is wave 4 end after 5 legs of triangle, and then we go for wave 5. And current chart for that, let me show you, is pound index, if I can open. Is this. Okay, so very nice and clean. It spent a couple of days at the TL, and then it started going up. So it's pretty nice going up, getting strong pound, and all those pairs are going to go up. So it's very safe to trade to the upside, knowing the pound is getting strong. And any weaker currency, you just trade it, or any other currency, even if it's not weak. When the pound gets strong, the pound pairs goes up on the right hand side. I mean, sorry, if the pound is on the left hand side, like pound yen, pound franc, pound USD will go up, euro pound will come down. Okay, so because of the reason of this triangle, I knew it. Then and then the setup came in, and then I start taking these entries on pound yen. Similarly, euro yen was set up on a bad pattern, and then I start taking those. Let me show you what euro yen is doing. Euro yen is see right here was the setup was built there, and it went up again. It's a little wobble, but it started going up again, right? It's 35 positive. I have only one order here because I have too many on pound yen. All right, so it's in the beginning stage even, but it's doing really good. Okay, and I'm not opening too many trades and too many pairs. Just maybe a couple of pairs, a few entries. That's all. And but hopefully I'll be increasing this thing, and more setups. I didn't send out these charts to my subscribers, because what happened is that I just started teaching it, and believe me or not, I have hundreds of emails to answer, and I didn't sleep for 2 days, and just sending these things, sending templates out, sending the whole setup out, the system, and individually, and answering questions and emails. I'm just swamped. So, but these charts, believe me, once you understand, this is I don't have to do anything. I mean, you just learn it. Very simple. And I had made a video. I did the webinar. I made a video. I'm going to do a couple of more webinars explaining exactly how to do it between one hour chart, and then go on take entries from 5 minutes or 1 minute, wherever you find those entries on the right time. By the way, the time is very important. The time stays the same with my old system, Magic Wave Strategy, and this one, because that is the time when the volume comes in. Outside the time, you're going to get killed. Simple as that. Don't even bother outside those trading times. You have specific timing where you can find these trades, because the volume comes in those times. Okay, so you need to know that, and never forget that time. Right? On the bad time, that sometimes market moves, but those because of some strange news comes out of nowhere. And but you don't want to get caught in that, because sometimes it goes against you, and it goes big time against you. We have specific timings, and we stick with that. So pound, euro yen setup, I had the chart, before chart and trade, and I'll make it after chart now. And the best one is the pound yen. That battery is like going and going and going. This is 108, 77, and 54. These three entries. Pound yen is famous. We call it dragon, right? So it swallows. If you make a mistake, you will be swallowed. But it runs, and it runs good. So this is it. My new system in play. Very nice. Even though we have beautiful entries and signal counter trend, but I don't bother taking them. It's not worth it. You just stay with this, like from here, here, and here. That's it. This was the trade on 11/18. Today's 26. So, but look at the amount. It's here 182.70, and here the first red candle you get out. Which is 185.60 or 70. Okay, and from here, from blue candle to 82.70. So 85, 82 to 85, that's 300 pip run here. Then it's like 100 pip here. And see, you can increase your profit by putting multiple orders when you see multiple entries. Just keep doing that. This is it. So if you want to get this system, you like what you see, go on my website, subscribe, and start learning fast, because I just started it, and I'm going to be repeating what I already taught, and then more and more in detail in coming weeks, coming days and weeks. Okay, so don't miss the opportunity. Get involved, and take advantage of this system. Learn it, and magic IBs, and trade them. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.